insofar if you ask what has contributed to the slow growth, I can take you through the components. The principal elements are in agriculture, it's crop production, which has come in at negative. Electricity, gas and water supply. Mining has come in low. In some elements of transport, particularly railways, which comes in low. Again, there's a mixed bag. Some railways, other than air transport, all the other segments tend to do poorly.
Right.
And public administration and defense.
Right.
Now, public administration and defense is partly understandable because there is a compression on government revenue expenditure. And that may not pick up in the near future because the emphasis in government expenditure is right now more on capital expenditure.
Right.
So that may continue to be depressed. Agriculture, we will have to see how the planting comes about this year relative to last year, because it's true that so far current monsoon has been poor,
right,
but June monsoon was good,
right,
and a lot of the acreage decision was influenced by June. So we'll have to wait until the first estimate of agriculture comes in.
Right.
Electricity, gas and water supply is a trickier thing because it's largely driven by the electricity sector, where the state boards are in a financial squeeze.
Right.
And that needs to be sorted out before this sector shows improvement, even though production and capacity has improved a lot.
Right. Okay. So the FY16 GDP target that the budget has projected is about 8 to 8.5%. Given the 7% right now for Q1 GDP, do you think going forward there will be pressure to grow much higher? And how tough do you think that will be?
Look, budget numbers are forecasts, inherently forecasts. They are partly aspirational, they are partly based on assumptions, a number of things. Fact is, this is only the first quarter. It is entirely possible that the numbers would improve, could improve. There are a number of positive indicators in this GDP. Manufacturing growth has come in positive. Large number of the service sector has come in positive. Agriculture, as expected, has come in poor.
Right.
Public administration and defense, as expected, has come in poor. So the positive elements are there, and they will have linkage effects with the rest of the economy. So what will the overall growth finally pan on to? It's very hard for me to say at this stage. But I don't think there is any reason for despondency, because this number is significantly better than what we had been seeing in the last 2-3 years. And it continues a sense of trend of improvement which we had seen from last year.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.